Hello everyone. The two Boeing planes that will serve as Air India One are set to arrive soon. In this video, we will tell you what their strength is and what are the features of these planes. Don't forget liking this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already for more such content. So let's start the video. India is all set to receive its two new VIP aircraft from Boeing in July 2020 as a replacement to the aging 747s. The aircraft will serve as transport for Prime Minister, President and Vice President and will be India's equivalent of Air Force One. The two 777-300ERs originally delivered to Air India were acquired and sent to a Boeing facility in February to be fitted with new security systems. Air India One is actually the call sign, a reference to the Air India aircraft and the presence of Prime Minister, President or Vice President. The 747, which currently serves as Air India One, only has retrofitted security measures and otherwise serves as commercial flights. However, the new 777s will feature an upgraded livery with only the word India painted in English and Hindi with the country's emblem in the center. The tail also features an Indian flag reminiscent of Air Force One. Let's move ahead and find out some interesting features and facts about the all-new and advanced version of Air India One. The plane's advanced defense systems will call for training of pilots under Indian Air Force instructors. Traditionally, Air India pilots have been flying the Air India One planes. The planes manufactured at Boeing's facility in Dallas, USA are retrofitted with advanced military defense systems and a reconfigured cabin. These aircrafts will feature twin GE90-115 engines, a variant of the engine made for the 300ER, and it can fly at 900 km per hour. For the security of the VIPs flying in them, the government has opted for state-of-the-art military defense systems to be fitted in those planes. One of the systems is the large aircraft infrared countermeasures and the self-protection suits. These systems will protect the aircraft in case of an unfortunate event of it suffering damage in the air. The planes cost $190 million purchase and were customized only after a nod from the US State Department approval due to its military nature. The planes will also feature advanced electronic warfare suits. This feature enables the plane to not only fend off an attack but also take countermeasures in case of an attack. Equipped with all these advanced technologies, the new Air India One 777, likely model after USA's own Air Force One, will now be as secure. That's all for this video. Thank you.